Hello and welcome to day 67 of the 100 Days Challenge. Today I just didn't have too much energy. I just was a tough Friday at work and then I had to buy some groceries and everything, so I didn't have too much time and I didn't make too much progress, but I wanted to fix the issues that we found yesterday, and despite of being actually one line the fix, it took me a while because those are the things that it takes longer because you need to debug, and at the end it's like a small piece that it's breaking, but it's hard to find that small piece where it is. So if you remember from yesterday, I had the issue that whenever you were in the first level and you just clicked on the next level button, then you could not play the game. So you were placed in the proper position, the map was properly generated, but you could not move and the timer was not going on. So now when you click on next level, you get positioned well and the timer works again and you can also win. Now this is the second level, so if I click next, it will fail because there's no third level in there, but I could fix the previous error. In order to do so, basically the fix was quite simple. As I said, it was actually just one line. The thing is that within the level, something that I was not doing in the restart game was setting back the exit reach to false. So this exit reach was a kind of a flag that was used previously to know if whenever it's done, you just reach the exit and it makes that either shows the game over or just uses the countdown label. So that was the only value that was not properly set in the restart. I was trying with different things. I tried to apply a similar behavior as in the level button, where I had this newest scene instantiated and everything, and play with that because I was thinking that was not properly instantiated, but at the very end it was just that very line. So if I just compare whatever I did yesterday with today, the only line that changed is actually this exit reach to false. So as I said, nothing fancy to show and nothing too big, but yet it's progress, and tomorrow I'll try to put some time on it and try to work on several things. I think that the next thing I want to work on is on this second time that it should somehow be into the levels definition, so that whenever we have this information in the what it was in the global controller, here it was only not the level but also like a tuple. I don't know how to say it, I don't know how it is in Godot, but where, or a pair or something where I can put like the level plus the, I know this is not the syntax for sure, but the level plus the one time plus the second time plus whatever thing. So yeah, I'll try to work on that and maybe even create a new levels. And yeah, I think this is my next goals. Also maybe improve how things are managed, because I guess that if we use this information in here in this global controller, then I need to somehow handle how this works here, but also within the maze builder and how things are properly propagated among different things. Also, there are some things like we style the buttons for them flat, but not when they are hovered or selected. So actually, this is something that I always think I need to do, but then I realized that this is meant for mobile. So in the mobile, you don't have this hover thing because you click just on the buttons. So I won't work on that. Instead, I'll just work on the other things. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.